Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about Shorter Finance, which is a crypto platform especially built for bear cycles or bear markets, which we are obviously going through right now, so make sure you stick around for all of that. Obviously nothing I say is financial advice, so always go away and do your own research. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Okay guys, so jumping over to the shorter.finance website, which as always is linked down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out afterwards. Let's have a look at what this platform is talking about, because it's obviously quite an exciting one. In terms of like crypto platforms you might have seen so far, a lot of them are geared towards bull markets. And obviously like half the time we're going to be in a bull market, half the time we're going to be in a bear market, obviously a little bit in between. But obviously right now, it's been a pretty bad bear market for crypto, having seen some of the worst falls in crypto history, obviously because market caps are so much higher. So if we can find an app that's going to help us in bear markets, this is a very exciting thing for me. So creating unprecedented markets for 2,000 plus altcoins, right? Let's have a look at a few other things of the website before we jump in. But key participants in Shorter Finance, basically a supply to earn provider, collectible tangible yield from providing idle single-sided tokens and created derivatives away from impermanent loss, trade a borrow short, trade any token related to derivatives within continuous liquidity driven by AMM, stifling the loss caused in spikes. And then the last one, govern pivot at the spine, maintaining the stability of the intact protocol and take risk-free profit from governance. This is all kind of exciting and interesting stuff. 100% open source, 100% on-chain, and then there's a few other things which we're going to check out later. Now, everything in crypto for me, obviously crypto itself is exciting for an opportunity that's going to give the world, but as well as that, I like making money in crypto. Hopefully you do too. And one of the best ways, guys, is to make a passive income in crypto. This can be done in a number of different ways, from creating your own pool, being a proprietor by occupying different self-made pools regarding the market-oriented goals, and you can also stake single-sided tokens. Obviously, when you deposit tokens into pools, etc., make sure you're checking the length of time, the kind of contracts associated with them, that you don't get locked up for longer than you want, etc., etc. Because obviously markets do change and you don't want to be locked up potentially for 6 months to a year, depending on the token, unless we're talking about non-volatile assets like stable coins, etc. Okay, so currently at the moment you can see there's $2 million locked in 171 pools, obviously a very new platform, but already showing signs of a lot of active traders with 9,000 plus traders. What's cool as well, guys, it sets up shorts within a diversified portfolio selection, which obviously tends to mean it's much less kind of volatile. Potentially you can't make the biggest gains sometimes in diversified portfolios, but they are definitely the safest place to be because the risk is that much lower, because your risk is obviously spread across a different number of assets rather than having it all in one basket, which is definitely never something you should be doing unless you're prepared to lose all of that money, because, you know, we've seen coins like Luna, which everyone was shouting about, go from basically the top to pretty much zero. Here you can see some quotes from some famous people in the crypto space. We've got Cathie Wood, she's CEO of one of the biggest investment firms in the world, and then you got Matt Huang, who's a co-founder here of Paradigm, saying some other good stuff. Now, before we look into how to use Shorter, we're going to take a look at the key thing that separates Shorter from all the other kind of DeFi platforms out there. Shorter is a refined one-stop trading venue to leverage the full potential of DeFi, physical delivery of token derivatives, direct borrowing patterns, flexible maximum holding term, and transparent position lifecycle management. So jumping over to the app, guys, we're going to look at how you can use the Rinkeby testnet in order to connect your wallet. So obviously if you're already set up with MetaMask or Wallet Connect, personally I have a MetaMask account, and you can see, guys, I've just connected my Ethereum wallet here. At the moment I have no money put over into this Shorter platform, just because I'm taking a look, guys, want to check it out before I go and invest any money in such things. Okay, so on the left hand side we've got a few tabs. You've got the dashboard, so you can see your total equity you've got in there, and you can see therefore down below if you would have open short positions, they would all be put in here, but at the moment you can see I have no positions open. Clicking on pools, you can see currently over $500,000 is staked in the platform, which is pretty good to see, and they'll obviously be increasing as they work on their marketing and encourage other people to get involved. Then looking down through, we've got things like farming available, all sorts of different features that you can come over and take a look at, guys, in order to find out more information if you're interested in doing so. Now, by being a provider, guys, it basically means you can stake a token which allows you to sort of lend it out to someone else who might be wanting to use that, and therefore you're going to be earning a reward. Obviously, the longer you're prepared to stake it, the more reward you're going to get. All you would do, guys, if you are interested in doing that, you can see down below various different tokens, and you can see kind of like different APYs, etc. So here we've got the Ape token, or Bored Ape Yacht Club token. You can just click on enter pool here, and it's going to bring you across to a different page. And then obviously here right now, I've got none of that token in my wallet. Actually hold none of that token myself anyway. If you see, guys, and I had some available, it would show up in this wallet balance. I could then click on max, or however many I wanted to put in, approve S8, and that's going to basically execute on this and lock me into the pool, allowing me to earn an APY. Obviously there's leverage, etc. involved with these, so be very cautious when you're using leverage, because obviously there is risk involved, because sometimes it does move against us, and if we over leverage ourselves, we can get burned very hard, very quickly, as I know all too well. Now obviously, guys, this basically enters me into short positions, etc. right? So not only am I staking a coin, which I kind of might be holding anyway, but I'm actually making money from it as it falls towards the downside, which obviously if you're staking other coins normally in a bear market, then you're going to be losing money on those. Even if you're increasing the amount of that token that you hold, the value of the token is going down, so your overall capital will be dropping. So coming into this trading pool here for S8, or the Bored Ape Yacht Club token, we can see that we can deposit a number of tokens into this pool, and then on the bottom we've got something else which says trade 10x. Now obviously, guys, we're going to be staking this token here, which is going to allow us to win a passive income, or make a passive income on our tokens. But as well as that, we can also short the coin at a 10x leverage here, and you can see what's going on. It gives you your estimated margin in USDT. Always be very cautious, guys, when you're using 10x leverage, that you're not over leveraging yourself, because you can burn yourself very hard and lose much more money than you intended to very, very quickly. Coming over to clicking on this tab here in the pool section, you can click on I'm a provider, and then you can see all of the different loaning pools that are available, different cryptocurrencies all the way down through with different information. Again, guys, just literally click on enter the pool, and you can go in and find out more information on kind of the rewards, etc., that you can expect to make from things like kind of shorting Bitcoin, shorting Ethereum, shorting Bored Ape Yacht Club, etc. Obviously, it's a bear market right now, but it doesn't mean the bear market is going to go on forever. So do your research in terms of whether or not you think the price is going to be continuing to fall. Even if it doesn't continue to fall and you go into short positions, shorter app does protect you a little bit from losing too much of your invested funds. Now you can see up here, guys, there's a join beta program, and they will be inviting people to come and test the platform in the next few weeks. So I recommend going and following them on Twitter, which is linked down below in the description if you want to go and do that. And then you can see whether or not you can get involved in being a tester in a platform like this. Could be a very valuable platform going forward, guys, allowing you to make money not only in bull markets but also in bear markets. So in summary, guys, Shorter App is a shorting platform that allows you to make passive income while markets are falling, like we've just seen in the crypto markets over the last few months. Potentially could have been something that had made you a lot of money using staking, using shorting, etc. If you want to go and find out more information, it's all available down in the link below, so make sure you go and check it out now. Guys, if you've enjoyed today's video, then make sure you smash the thumbs up button. Thanks very much for doing that. And if you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about crypto, NFTs, Web3, and much, much more, then make sure you subscribe to the channel to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.